Hey everybody, it's me. I have a bike rack for the back of my car. Box came completely demolished, so we're gonna hope everything's in it here. We'll give everything a go and try to set it all up and see what we got. So, okay, so this is the concept. Obviously, I'm gonna have it on a little car, so it's gonna be way up high, which would work, I guess, to go little spaces. But I do have my van, which is a tall van, so it doesn't stick up much above it. But I wanted to show you guys on my car how it works. And so that's kind of one way of doing it. There's another way of doing it where it goes, and this piece is kind of out longer, so and it goes kind of the other way. And that way, like if you have it in the back of a pickup truck or something like that, that'll give you the back way to connect it up to there. But this is actually it would work. It's gonna hold it on there, especially if it's all strapped up. It would work. So it's cool. Nice to have a little kayak mount here. Or if you have something smaller, you can totally put that in there. It would fit anything. I mean, I have a kayak. I have a big kayak, but you can put something else in there. I gotta get this off. I'm working with a bad wrist, so sorry. But also say in a pinch, you could use it and put a bike on there. You could strap anything to it. I mean, it's just a rack. I can put my bike on there, tie it up in there if I needed to bring it somewhere, or anything else. So it's pretty cool. Comes with, comes with straps. Comes with the hitch pins and everything else you need there. It even comes with a little wobble, wobble-free thing, and some other little just insulation-y things and zip ties so you can get it all connected up right. But it's a cool device. It's pretty easy to set up. You saw it. I mean, it took me 5 or 10 minutes. So pretty simple. So I like it. Thumbs up. Very nice.